ankles and knees have deteriorated since then. That's cool. Now you can actually get the stairs back again. That's cool. That's cool. Wow. Continuous working on that. Definitely get your forearms in strength here, but you know it is light, you know. Cool. Alright. You see how much I've done. I did pretty good. Let's see what the battery shows. Oh shoot. I've still got more than half a battery left. That's sweet. So definitely outlasting my forearm. As you can see, definitely that's cool. All right. Those are nasty bush right there, buddy. Prickers all over it. You're wearing glasses. Get stuck in. All right. That part's give myself a little more length. Looks good, huh? Said myself. The yellow feeder works. This is hay here. I normally use the I usually don't use the lawnmower on it, but for the demonstration, I think you'll be happy with it. We're gonna try, you know, use it through the season and see what happens. You've got the little curb wheel. This is basically if you've got sidewalk and you got sidewalk squares, and you've got things growing up through the sidewalks, through the sidewalk squares. You just roll this along, and then that'll eat it as it goes along. But let's go around, go down here where I can't, where I haven't been able to hit it with the riding lawnmower as I'm going around it. Got buying now. That's whipgrass. That's the worst stuff to have to cut, is whipgrass. Let's do it. I think Before you get away, you get away, yeah. That ivy. Ivy stuff, wicked. What do you think? I think it's doing pretty good. I don't have to mix gas. Close telephone pole. Now there is this thing here you can push out. Gives you a little depth. I don't need it. Shove it back in there. Means I don't have to buy any gas. I don't have to mix any gas. Just plugged in the wall. Battery charges and it's done. You can sit for as long as you need it to sit. It's all ready to go. Now, like I said, what you want to do, you're going to have to straighten that completely down, I guess, like that. And then, now you can push that along. So now, roll right along the edge of the concrete. There you go. That block dude there. There you go. There you go. Go the other way. There you go. I'm gonna reset it. Step down here. I'm gonna reset it. Okay. You can find the edge of the concrete now. Alright. Go. A little more. And you can hear the change as it gets longer and longer, so you know it's going out. Yeah. Now, if you got allergies, you're definitely going to want to wear a mask.